Hey everybody, a while back we showed you guys how to remove the exhaust on a Wrangler JL. Well, we have a Gladiator here and it's a little different, so we're going to show you how to remove the exhaust in your Gladiator JT. Tools needed for this job is a ratchet, a 13mm short and long socket. An extension is handy, and you might find a 13mm wrench handy. Right up at the front by the transfer case, we have this ball socket. Use a 13mm short ratchet and come in right on top. Following the exhaust back, we have two more bolts holding the bracket at the mid position. And the last one is above the sound resonator right here at the very back. Now this is where it'll be real handy to have an extra set of hands. So there you have it, Gladiator exhaust removed in about 15 minutes. Really simple. Now of course this one was new, so it makes it pretty easy. If you have an old rusty one, hey, it may take you a little while, but keep at it. Results will be worth your effort to get that thing out of there and get something new in, and that's what's coming next. High performance exhaust from AFE Power for this Gladiator. Till next time, thanks Northridge Nation.